Let's check if it's just you or a wider problem. As of today, March 22nd, 2026, AT&T Wi-Fi services are generally operational nationwide. There aren't any major widespread outages reported recently. However, localized issues can pop up, especially during peak hours or due to ongoing infrastructure upgrades. A small nationwide glitch did happen in early January, so make sure you understand how to check if that is the problem. Before blaming AT&T, quickly rule out common culprits that might be causing your Wi-Fi issues. First, check if your AT&T gateway or router is properly plugged in and powered on. Look for indicator lights to confirm it's receiving power. Next, inspect all cable connections. Make sure Ethernet cables are securely plugged into the router's ports and not loose or damaged. Test if other devices in your home are having the same Wi-Fi issue. If only one device is affected, the problem is likely with that device's Wi-Fi settings, not AT&T. Finally, run a speed test on a device connected via Ethernet cable. Compare these results to Wi-Fi speeds to determine if the issue is wireless specific. The golden rule of Wi-Fi troubleshooting is to restart your equipment. This simple step often resolves temporary glitches by clearing the router's memory and re-establishing the connection. First, unplug your AT&T gateway or router from the power outlet. Wait a full 30 seconds. This allows the router to fully reset and clear any temporary issues from its memory. Now plug the router back into the power outlet. Wait for the router to power up completely. This may take a minute or two. Watch the lights on your router. Wait for all lights to turn green, indicating a stable connection has been re-established. AT&T provides a very useful app called Smart Home Manager. Download the app and log in with your AT&T credentials. This app serves as your Wi-Fi command center, providing tools to manage your home network. The app can diagnose common Wi-Fi problems, optimize your network, and even restart your router remotely. It can identify signal interference, outdated firmware, and other issues that might be causing problems. Use the diagnostic tools within the app to check for problems and get recommendations. Wi-Fi operates using radio waves, electromagnetic signals that carry data through the air between your devices and router. These radio waves can be disrupted by interference from household appliances like microwaves, which operate on similar frequencies, or from neighboring Wi-Fi networks using overlapping channels. Wi-Fi channels operate on specific frequency bands, typically 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz. Overlapping channels from nearby networks can cause signal conflicts and reduced performance. An overloaded router occurs when too many devices connect simultaneously, exceeding its processing capacity and bandwidth limits. This leads to slower speeds or complete connectivity loss. Signs of network congestion include high latency, connection timeouts, packet loss, and frequent retransmissions as the router struggles to handle the load. To reduce interference, relocate your router away from electronic devices like microwaves, cordless phones, and Bluetooth speakers. Position it centrally in your home for better signal distribution. Disconnect non-essential devices, such as smart home gadgets or guest devices that aren't actively in use. This frees up bandwidth and reduces the strain on your router. If a simple restart doesn't work, you can try resetting your AT&T gateway or router to its factory settings. Warning: this will erase your custom settings like your Wi-Fi password, so you'll need to set them up again. Locate the reset button on the back of the router. It's usually a small hole that you can see in this view of the router's back panel. Use a paperclip to press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. This initiates the factory reset process. The router will restart and revert to its default settings. Once complete, you'll need to reconnect your devices and reconfigure your Wi-Fi network. If you've tried all the easy fixes and your Wi-Fi is still not working, it's time to contact AT&T support. The problem might be on their end, such as a service outage in your area or a problem with your account. Be prepared to provide them with your account information and a description of the troubleshooting steps you've already taken. AT&T support is available 24/7 online or by phone. The future of AT&T Wi-Fi looks promising, with innovations that will make connections faster and more reliable. AT&T is integrating cutting-edge technologies to reduce outages and simplify troubleshooting. One major advancement is 5G integration. AT&T offers 5G home internet as a backup to traditional Wi-Fi, using cellular towers to deliver connectivity. This provides reliable speeds up to 100 megabit per second and helps maintain connections during fiber outages, available in thousands of zip codes. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing troubleshooting. AT&T's systems now use AI to analyze network data and predict potential issues, automatically restarting routers or adjusting settings before problems occur. This proactive approach reduces downtime and the need for manual fixes. Self-healing networks represent the future of reliability. These systems continuously monitor performance, analyze data, and automatically fix issues like signal interference or equipment failures. By 2028, AI could resolve up to 40% of network problems without human help. The future of AT&T Wi-Fi is bright. Through 5G integration, AI diagnostics, and self-healing networks, users can expect faster speeds, more reliable connections, and significantly easier fixes for Wi-Fi problems. These advancements will transform how we stay connected.